This week I launched 4 different things, and by the end of it, I realized I only actually did one of them by myself. Four launches, 5 days. Let's go. First up, Mentora. Again, this is officially the 3rd time we've tried to get this thing off the ground.
We need more heads. Pero sa ngayon, manageable pa naman. We give value talaga dun sa mga members natin and then dun sa mga incoming.
I walked in skeptical, not about the idea, about whether relaunching the same thing for a 3rd time actually works, or if we're just being stubborn.
Kasi ito kaya dun sa mga after the launch, pero hindi na siya na
Siguro structure-wise, ma'am, na para lang tayo align. So we have 3 divisions here. We have Mentora. Mentora is separate from MIC. MIC, and then we have the playground, which is a co-working space. Madali may synergy yung tatlo na yan eh.
Except this time, I'm not the one running it. Adrian is, and that's the part that actually challenged me. Because handing over something you built is harder than building it.
Replicated to other regions or cities like Manila, Clark, and what have you. No? Kasi part of it is yung, just to let you know, yung co-working space business without tatanggalin mo yung corporate accounts. It is not profitable. Pag wala yung corporate accounts. To mentor them, probably as you, Cheska, it's a complete team natin sa MIC and Mentora who's gonna give our inputs to boost their revenue. And then every week for the next 3 months, may accountability meeting, anong natapos nyo, anong result, etc. So that's one idea na that campaign itself is already profitable. That will be a lead generator for the MIC. Okay, good morning. Alright, so agenda natin ngayon, basically a presentation of the current process that we have gathered so far. And then after that, meron tayong mga quick wins and a draft opening, parang 2P process. Pag sinabing order to cash, ito yung sales to collection, procure to pay, to payment, plan to produce is the production, and record to report, yan yung sa somehow accounting. Slight accounting part of it. So, ito yung order to cash. No? So, ang notation nito is that bawat isang process, so binilagay kami na pag blue, yun yung mga inefficiencies that we have gathered. Pag naman, brown or amber, ito yung mga gaps. Tapos yung red, yung mga risk. Again, as gathered, yung order arrives as free text na email. So, ito yung order ko, etc. Si Karen na nakaka-receive. So, dito pa lang, actually, may inefficiencies na. Because number 1, walang standard order form. Tapos free text lang siya. At the same time, walang customer PO, right? Pero I understand in your industry, there are things na practically we cannot implement, no? But we're just saying here na ito yung mga inefficiencies. Second, the dual system kasi nag-email ka na and then i-re-encode pa siya dun sa O2. So, in effect, parang double entry siya. So, in reality, pwede mong i-automate yung part din. Alright, so yun yung I2, no? Dun sa encoding natin, may gap din tayo sa identify dun sa O2. So, meron ditong another gap, number 3, yung stock availability, usually, assumed lang siya. Or based on gut feel. Hindi talaga siya reality. Kasi number 1, wala siya sa O2. Tapos meron siyang, stock on hand report sa G-Sheet. Pero as per him, admittedly, na-admit niya na hindi siya usually na-update on time. So, assumption lang talaga siya in a way. So, but in any case, whatever is the assumption is correct or wrong, pinaplano nun niya yung delivery.
Next day, a different kind of launch. My mentee Sharon and her husband Dave recording their very first podcast episode about branding. I'm there to help them find their voice, which is funny because branding is the thing I'm supposed to be teaching. Some days the student runs the lesson. First episode recorded, their launch, not mine, and somehow that made my week.
Business owners, marketers, sales professional, and anyone who wants to build a stronger brand and grow their business. Tell us about yourself and your business.
Okay, so first of all, congratulations for having this initiative.
Thank you. Congratulations. Bakit mahalaga ang branding kahit maliit pa lang ang negosyo?
Well, two major types kasi of marketing in general. May tinatawag na performance marketing, merong branding. So, anong difference? Yung branding, actually, ang mindset dyan, it is a marathon. It's like a 42K run. Hindi siya ganun kabilis matapos or ma-establish. It takes time. While you are building your brand, sa running, may marathon, meron ding sprints. 100 meter sprints, 200 meter sprints, di ba? Yun yung performance marketing. So while you are building your brand, wala kang choice, kundi somehow, ang performance marketing kasi, sinali mo siya sa hard selling. So you have to hard sell. How do you hard sell? You have to call, di ba yung mga telemarketers, makukulit, di ba? Or mag-o-offer ka. Sabihin natin, if you get now, merong 90% discount para bumili ka. Yun yung, again, performance marketing. So while you are doing that, kasi pag nag-start ka, you really have to do that so that you can have revenue. Kasi kung hindi mo gagawin yun, mahirap sustain ang business. So while you are doing the performance marketing, to establish your brand, I believe, based on study, minimum yan 6 months. But it can be more than that. It can be 2 years, 3 years. Ayarns!
Thursday.
Ayan, so Makati, we're conquering Makati sa ating accounting workshop masterclass. Thursday today with Mars, Camille, and Alan and Alvin, same team.
Anong intro nyo mamaya, sir? Welcome Makati.
Welcome Makati, Spaceport. Welcome Makati City.
Welcome ang Makati. Last time, welcome Angeles eh.
Yes, good morning. Good morning, Angeles. Good morning, Makati. Para di bagay, no? Good morning, Metro Manila.
Then the biggest launch of the week, 2-day accounting masterclass, new venue, and a brand new deck I've never presented before. New room, new design, same mission, teach the thing that actually moves the needle for these businesses. And watching it land in a room this size, in a venue we'd never used before, that's its own kind of launch.
Okay, ang objective natin sa task natin yung opening balance ng tax. The most important thing so far. Kung punta ka sa reporting, may check siya na gano'n. Okay. Reporting plus balance sheet. To double check also, punta kayo sa reporting then balance sheet. So 1 million. Ito kasi wala pa dahil wala ka pang sinet na account. So opening balance sheet. Sabi natin cost of goods sold. Yung difference doon, yun yung tinatawag ng gross profit. Pag nagka-analyze tayo ng business, what is your gross profit margin? Alright, so ina-analyze natin yung business. Kasi gusto natin malaman kung ano yung result nun, is that on par with the industry standard? Efficiently and effectively. Okay? And, okay lang, sabi ko yung anxiety level mo ay depende sa what you can tolerate. Diba? Pero if you have plans to later on, pamana natin sa next generation, diba, might as well fix it now. Kasi marami akong consulting clients na, like I said kahapon, magkaedad na sila, kung kailan pinapamana sa anak, tsaka sumasabog. Laki ng penalty sa BIR, etc. It's too late. So might as well do it now. Hindi siya ganun kadali, like I said kanina, 1% progress at a time. And in my experience, alright, so, mababa lang impact nito. 5, tama?
Okay.
Confidence, 7 or 8. But anyway, so, kunyari ang result nito is 10, So, kita mo na agad na huwag mo na muna gawin itong dalawa. Wala ka nang gagawin kundi ito kasi ito yung pinakamataas sa story. As much as possible, huwag kang magsabay. Kasi wala kang focus eh. Nag-decide ka na itong gagawin. So, what is the system? Dapat meron kang, have you heard of the sprint-based project management
Yeah, yes. I heard of
or
it.
Scrum?
Like, just may mga small...
Yeah. So, divide mo step by step, month on month. What is your target milestone? First is the SOP. That's the first thing. SOP. Estimate mo, if 1 month mo siyang gagawin, i-divide mo siya into 4-week sprints. 1 week ito yung gagawin, and then yung second week ito yung gagawin, third and fourth. So into chunks, bite-sized chunks. And then every week, yun lang yung focus mo, sprint na yun. But my point here is that you have to be intentional in your sit. Hindi yung pagkagising mo, nasa mood ba akong gawin to? Yes or no? Di ba? Being vigilant and, the right motivation to fix the processes. And in any case, me and my team are happy to help if you want to follow through in fixing your processes and accounting. Just to end, thank you so much for being here. It's our pleasure to help our business owners, saka yung mga audience natin pagdating sa people who wants to improve their business processes and their accounting. So thank you so much again. It's a privilege to be your teacher, the Castro Priest.
That's its own kind of launch. See you next week.